Hi everyone, Martin Saddle here with Dent-Remover in Beverley. I'd like to show you a job that I'm repairing at the moment. It's a BMW 435D. So this vehicle, it's going off end of lease, so it's going back to the lease company, and our customer wanted a repair doing on the roof. There you go. So we've estimated this already. It's a 70mm dent. It's down for glue pulling because with it being a convertible, we don't really want to start stripping all the insides out. There you go. It wouldn't be worth taking a roof liner down just for that dent. So as it's steel, I've got no problem in glue pulling that. If it was aluminium, it would be a little bit more tricky to do. But you got a steel panel because the ruler's sticking to it. So that's all good and well. No problem in fixing that. Trouble is, because it's a lease vehicle, they're not just going to be looking at the roof, they're going to be looking at the rest of the car as well, because they want it back with no scratches, no dents, and the alloy wheels looking really nice. So we offer an inspection service, a free inspection service. Just ask us, we'll check the car over, mark out any dents, and then if you want them fixing, we can do them for you. So as an example, I'll just pick up my inspection board. Here we go. Our customer didn't know that any of these dents are on his vehicle, and this is both sides as well. Look at that. So you might be able to see them flicker in the inspection board. Just start from the back here. So the money that our customer is going to be spending on this vehicle, if it was just to get the roof done, take it back to the hire company, they're going to see all these dents and it's going to work out very expensive. Okay, there you go. Can you see them? So now that we've shown the customer all these dents, they can be easily repaired, and when he gives it back to the lease company, he's got no problem and he's very happy to give it back to them, and he won't get any bills. Here you go. I've already fixed the driver's side, so there's no ripples or anything on these panels, and there was about 9 or 10 small dents on there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to repair the side. Going to glue pull it. There's no need to strip the panels for it because they're only tiny ripples. And then I'm going to repair the roof, and I'm going to show you the processes involved, and I hope you enjoy. Because I'm hot glue pulling these dents out, there's always a chance that the paint might come off if it's been repainted at some point in its life. So what I've started to use now is the Next Diag or Next PTG paint depth gauge, and it's really simple. You get an app as well on your phone, just stick it onto the panel, wait a couple of seconds, and it tells me that it's 77 microns or UM. And it's a steel panel and it's got zinc coat on there, so it means that the paintwork's not been taken off, it's not gone through to bare metal and taken the E-coat off. So just by using this tool you can show your customer that the paintwork is original, and that you can get on to happily glue pull without much worry that the paint will come off. Just give it a good degrease using a new rag as well. Clean rag. There we go. Which one would we go? Do this tiny one here. Just pick a tab that's roughly the same size as the dent. So I'm using the HD Pro have there, the 13mm one. These are super good. So because this is a really slight ripple, you don't want to be using a lot of force to pull the tab out. So I'm just going to use a mini lifter and give it a very light squeeze. That's all it needs. Don't need lots. See what I mean? They stick well, don't they? Can hang your coat on that. There we go. Maybe a bit more than what I wanted to give it there. But anyway, get this off. It would stick well, wouldn't it? There we go, it's off now. Lovely. Right, and then lightly just tap it down. Blend it back into the surrounding. There we go. Right, on to the next one. Got a slightly larger one there. That's more of a crease dent. So for this, we use the gangrene tab because the shape of the tab suits the dent. There we go. Give it a couple of seconds. Between 5 and 10 seconds is usually all you need. One more, just in a different area. So give it 5 seconds. I'd rather it come off like that, so not, it's called a wet pull, so the glue is still wet as you pull it. Speed things up and it doesn't pull as hard. Quick blend. Okay, that's the quarter panel done. Now onto the door. I'm nearly there now with the passenger side. I'm just leaving the best one till last. There you go. So it's a couple of inches, 2 or 3 inches. Slight crease dent. Again, what I'm going to do, just going to glue pull it using something like this. The gangrene crease tabs, because they fit perfectly in the centre of that dent. So a couple of pulls, this should be out, and then just blend it in to the rest of the panel. So the reason why I've glue pulled the full side of this on this vehicle is because they are quite heavily bonded on inside the panel. But the good thing about BMWs is you also get really good access. So by taking that bung out, you can get quite a large bar in and you can reach the majority of the lower part of the panel. But I like to glue pull, I like to make it hard for myself, and anyway, we're nearly there. So after that dent, I'm going to do the roof. Okay, so same as all the rest of them, I'm going to give it a quick panel wipe, get rid of all that dust and the mark, the pink marker. Then I'm going to get a crease tab, put the glue on there. This glue is Hog glue. I use this in the summertime, but I will be going back onto my favourite, which is the Glexo Hot. Okay, give that a couple of seconds, using a slide hammer to take the dent out. I always hold the top just in case it comes away and then slips up the panel. Don't want that. Give it a couple of tugs. And get the grip degreaser, a couple of squares, a bit of pressure on there just to lever it off. You don't want to be levering it into the panel. You want to be pulling to the side but outwards like that. Otherwise you're just going to create more work for yourself. Okay, coming out well. A bit more glue on there. Just go down a little bit lower, get a different crease tab on there. On the top part. There we go. Same again. A couple of pulls. Degreaser. Use a tab just to break it away from the top. Here we go. Excellent, right, start tapping it down. So that has greatly reduced the dent already, just with those few pulls. We put another crease tab on there. Right in the centre. Like I say, I only leave it 5 or 10 seconds for the glue to go off. You see it already sticks really well. Okay, right, give that a little tap down. So you can see within about 3 or 4 minutes, that dent is 95% done. I'm just struggling to see it because the camera is in the way. So I'm just going to move the camera and finish it off. That's completed. Now I'm on the roof. Got these marks off. Before I start gluing the roof, I'm just going to show you the kind of tabs that I'm using. So they're all round tabs now, they're not square tabs like this because we're not fixing any creases. So these round tabs from large, medium to small, various brands there. So find the tab closest to the dent, pop it on like that. Wait a couple of seconds, give it a pull, and then start to tap down the high areas and blend the dent back in. So the dent's come out a little bit, there's a bit of an edge there. I'm just going to tap this down. Okay, and then use a smaller tab. There we go, like that. I'm not going to use a slide hammer this time. Not going to be using that. I'm going to be using the mini lifter. Just unscrew it a little bit. Just don't want to be giving it big licks. Just a gentle pull, just to see how the metal reacts. That'll do. Bit of degreaser on there. Looking good. Right, I'm going to tap this down a bit more and let's have a look in a second. With any kind of dent like this, you do need to cross check, so putting the board at a different angle. There you go. So whereas before I couldn't really see much more of a dent, turn the board to an angle and you can see more. There you go, can you see that line? There you go. Just a few final taps now, just using a sharper knockdown just to fine tune the orange peel effect in the paintwork. Okay, that should do it. Okay, so using the inspection board from a few different angles. Okay, and then using the natural reflection, so we've got this line, this light and that light, so we can sweep from front to rear and then left to right. This BMW is now dent free, ready to go back to the lease company. We offer a free inspection service, so if you'd like to bring your vehicle down to the workshop in Beverley, we'll be able to inspect it for you. If we find any damage, we can give you an estimate, and then if you like it repairing, we can book you in. That's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm Martin Sadler. Take care and cheers.